Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix missing workouts or incorrect progress tracking. So now let's get started. The first step is make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Another step is ensure that your app is synced with other fitness apps or wearables for accurate data. Another step is verify your workout settings are correct, including duration and intensity. Another step is go to Play Store and make sure that the app is updated to its latest version. Now, last but not the least, log out of the app and log back in to refresh your progress and data. So this is how to fix missing workouts or incorrect progress tracking. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.